Welcome to my channel. Now, who doesn't like pineapples? This video shows how to make soap that looks and smells just like real pineapples. This is a beginner-friendly soap project that is very fun to make. First of all, we need to melt down a clear soap base, and I am cutting it in smaller cubes to make the melting process faster and easier. I am using a double boiler to melt the soap down, but you could also use a microwave. But if you do so, just use short increments to prevent overheating. You will find all the ingredients, tools, and pieces of equipment down in the description box below. Once the soap is completely melted, we are ready for the color. In case you are having some air bubbles, just spritz them away with some rubbing alcohol. I'm using a yellow mica called Buttercup Yellow. Micas are great because they can be added directly to the soap. You could also use a liquid soap colorant. I like to use a whisk to mix the color in because it does a great job. It is a good idea to go step by step with adding the color, as you cannot take it back if it gets too dark. And if you want your soap to be more vibrant, you can just add more mica to it. I'm very happy with this color, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the fragrance oil. This one is called Blue Hawaiian fragrance oil from a company in the UK, and it smells just like fresh pineapples. You don't need much fragrance oil in Melt and Pour since it holds the scent very well. Check the usage rates for the fragrance oil you are using, but usually it is something between 1 and 5%. I spritz away the bubbles again with rubbing alcohol. And now it's time for the pour. I have a round silicone mold ready on a cutting board, which is very practical, so you can move your project around in case you need your space, etc. I simply pour the soap in each mold cavity. Allow your soap to completely harden before taking it out of the mold. It will take something like 1 hour. Then I don't suggest putting the soap into the fridge to harden because the glycerin tends to sweat if you do so. I give again a spritz with rubbing alcohol to get rid of the air bubbles. The soaps are now completely cool to the touch and ready to be taken out. Here is an apple corer, and we are going to use it to create the hole within the slice. You could now add an extra step and create the typical pineapple texture with the use of a knife. What do you think? I'm gonna go ahead and do this with all of my slices. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are interested in more soap making videos and skincare DIY. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon around here for another video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!